The Flooring Studio, your premier destination for flooring and home remodeling in St. George, Utah. The Flooring Studio, a trusted local business in St. George, Utah, continues to set the standard for high-quality flooring and home remodeling services. Owned and operated by Heidi, the Flooring Studio is known for its wide selection of premium flooring options, including hardwood, tile, carpet, and luxury vinyl, paired with expert design and installation. With a personalized approach to each project, Heidi and her team ensure clients receive tailored solutions that enhance both the beauty and functionality of their homes. What truly sets the Flooring Studio apart is its ability to offer savings of up to 30% compared to other bids by managing every aspect of the remodeling process in-house. This eliminates middlemen and delivers a seamless, cost-effective experience without sacrificing quality. Whether updating a single room or completing a full-scale renovation, the Flooring Studio provides unmatched value, craftsmanship, and service to homeowners throughout St. George and beyond.